Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us today.
This is a safe and cozy place to practice English, relax your mind, and feel more confident step by step.
Yes, no pressure here, no exams, no perfect English needed, just real conversation.
Today's topic is something we all feel every single day, but many English learners struggle to talk about it.
Exactly. Today we're talking about how to describe your emotions in English.
Because knowing grammar is good, but knowing how to say how you feel is powerful.
And before we start, don't forget, if this podcast helps you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English like you.
All right, let's begin. You know, Jack, many learners tell me, Emma, I understand English, but I don't know how to explain my feelings.
Yes, I hear that too. They can talk about work, food, or travel, but when it comes to emotions, they freeze.
Exactly. They want to say something real, but only simple words come out.
Like only happy, sad, or angry.
Right, and those words are okay, but emotions are deeper than that.
Let's start very honestly. Emma, how are you feeling today?
Good question. I feel a little tired, but also calm and grateful.
See? That's already a good example. You didn't just say fine.
Yes, saying fine is safe, but it doesn't really explain anything.
So let's help our listeners move from very basic emotions to more natural, real English.
Let's start with positive emotions. Many learners say, I am happy.
Which is correct, but very general.
So we can make it richer. For example, I feel relaxed today.
I'm excited about something new.
I feel proud of myself.
That last one is important. Many learners don't say, I'm proud of myself.
Yes, but they should. Learning English is hard work.
Absolutely. And you can also say, I feel motivated today. I'm in a good mood.
Now let's talk about emotions that are not so positive, because life is not always happy.
True. And it's okay to talk about that too.
Instead of only saying, I'm sad, you can say, I feel a bit down, or I'm feeling low today.
Or I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is a great word for B1, B2 learners.
Yes, overwhelmed means you have too many things in your mind and it feels heavy.
For example, I feel overwhelmed with work. I feel overwhelmed with studying English.
Very real.
Another common emotion is stress.
Yes, many learners say, I'm stressed.
Small correction. You say, I'm stressed.
Good point. I'm stressed about my job. I'm stressed because I have an exam.
Now let's talk about emotions people don't often say out loud, like nervousness.
Oh yes, English learners feel nervous all the time.
Instead of I'm scared, you can say I feel nervous when I speak English.
Or I get anxious before meetings.
Anxious is a very useful B2 level word.
Yes, but still common in daily English.
Emma, do you remember a time when you felt nervous speaking English?
Of course. I remember my first presentation in English. My hands were cold, my voice was shaking, and my mind was blank.
So what would you say now?
I would say I felt extremely nervous, but also excited.
That's very natural. Emotions are often mixed.
Exactly. You don't feel only one thing.
Let's help listeners explain mixed emotions.
Good idea. You can say, I feel nervous but excited. I'm happy but tired.
I feel confused but hopeful.
Those small words, but and make your English sound very real.
Now, let's talk about something important, how to respond when someone shares emotions.
Yes, because conversations are two ways.
If someone says, I feel stressed, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that, or that sounds difficult, or I understand how you feel.
And if someone says, I'm really happy today, you can say, that's great to hear, or I'm happy for you.
Simple responses, but very human.
Now let's imagine a small real-life situation.
Okay.
You meet a colleague at work. They ask, how are you?
Instead of I'm fine, you can say I'm a bit tired, but I'm doing okay.
Perfect. Natural and honest.
Or with a friend, I've been feeling a little stressed lately.
Notice that sentence, I've been feeling.
Yes, that's present perfect continuous, very common when talking about emotions.
For example, I've been feeling more confident lately. I've been feeling nervous about my English.
Now, let's give listeners a small practice.
Yes, if you're listening, pause for a moment and finish this sentence in your head or out loud.
Today, I feel...
No perfect answer, just be honest.
And remember, emotions change. How you feel today is not forever.
That's true, and talking about your emotions in English is also practice.
Every sentence you say builds confidence.
Before we finish, let's remind our listeners of something important.
You don't need big, difficult words to express real emotions.
Simple English can still be deep English.
And your feelings matter, even in another language.
If you enjoyed this conversation, hit the like button, subscribe, and write one sentence in the comments.
You can write, today, I feel...
We read your comments, and they help you practice.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep talking.